guys, Miss Vixen here, and if there's something you don't know about me is that I suck at makeup. So today I decided to take on the one dip makeup challenge because I just want to find out just how bad my makeup skills can be. It's a challenge whereby you have one dip or one squirt of your makeup and you need to make it work for your whole face. So let's start with the base. Today I'm using this because this is the only thing I have for a base. So any day I will be using this, really. It's not just today. I just pumped out a little squirt to a one squirt of the Diego de la Palma, and I'm using this because this is the only one that has a pump in my makeup collection. So let's see. So I'm just gonna dub everywhere just to make an even coating. So that's the base all done. We're actually gonna move to the eyes now. So I can dip my brush into any of these colors, but only once, and that has to cover both eyes. There. There. Am I pretty yet? And then just thank God I'm not going anywhere after this. I'm just doing a live on YouTube, so if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe because I do lives. The next darker one. I'm proud of what I have done. Dip. And put it in the inner corner of my eye to open it up a bit. Yeah. There and there. Now, I'm actually pretty scared for this next step because I have to do my eyeliner. I pull it out and that's it. And I'm not even gonna wipe it here because that makes me lose product, but that also makes it more tricky because there's so much product on here that if it drips anywhere, I'm done for. Yes, queen. No, this isn't looking very nice, is it? Concealer fixes everything, and I can actually manage to fix what I've done here with one dip. Please work. I look like that corpse wife from Tim Burton's movie. Okay. Maybe this can be fixed. I just realized I'm also kind of doing a no mirror one dip challenge, so it's two challenges in one. So, I mean, that's even more impressive, okay? And I am undipping it and dipping it into my face. Obviously punch my face with this sponge using excessive pressure that I don't need. It's going well. If you ask me, it's going well, okay? Men like women who look like babies, which is pretty creepy if you ask me. The purpose of makeup is to make women look more innocent and like babies because a tiny nose and huge eyes of babies. So how creepy is it that we accommodate to men's desire for women to look like babies? That's super creepy, man. Like, get a grip of yourself. Jesus Christ. But what is a woman's face without huge lashes, right? I took it out, you just saw it. This is one dip. This is one dip, right? Can't really see. Like looking at the wall right now. I guess it's prettier than my face, but that's okay. We can continue. Everything's okay. I'm gonna touch my brush once into this hula benefit. I'm gonna do it once. I did it. So once. And now you. How are we looking so far? How are we looking? Don't look pretty. So, dipping my... No, I did this already. We're gonna go into eyebrows because eyebrows frame the face. And what I learned about eyebrows is that they're not sisters, they're twins. Unfortunately, in my case today, they're not even gonna be related. And I'm gonna have to make it work for both my eyebrows. So that didn't do anything. Let's add some color to our cheeks. Do this. I did it. What's that? Can I use like another blusher? That's technically not two dips into the same blusher, okay? I'm gonna do that. You see? Not cheating at all. Swirl. The last option I have to save my whole face is a lipstick. Will make or break the face, or like break or break in my case because I'm already broken inside and outside. One swab. Lips were pretty easy. I have to give it to the lips. Lips are the OP feature of your face. It's done! So this is my makeup look. I hope you liked it. Wait, let me fix the hair because the hair really does something. This trend is really great if you are running out of money and you have to save makeup, because we all think we need so much makeup when in truth we only need one dip. Don't do what I did here or use a mirror. Want to join my room and become my roommate so we can talk online on here for 3 days a week? Then I'm not sure if I said this in the beginning. Subscribe, but hit the like button and the subscribe button and just press whatever button you see. It's gonna help my video. It's gonna help me buy some makeup so I can skip this one dip thing and use as much as I want. And see you in the next one. Take care.